My name is Dr. Sharon Minott-Warren and I practice in Houston, Texas. The name of my practice is Bellaire Periodontics, and I started using StellaLife 4 years ago. It has been a game changer. Prior to using StellaLife, I was always using Chlorhexidine, and one of my issues with the Chlorhexidine, which I think everybody has the same issue, was the staining. And then also in terms of just periodontal therapy, we know that Chlorhexidine reduces the activity of fibroblasts. So when I was introduced to StellaLife, I was blown away. It's homeopathic and it has made a big change in my practice. My post-operative complications have been so much less in terms of patients have not used most of the pain management that we prescribe. The gel has been a game changer. They love the gel. They've told me that they did not use even one opioid post-operatively, and this is with soft tissue grafts, implants, bone grafting, ridge augmentation, all of those indications. I have had phenomenal results. My hygienist will not allow her patients to use any other product. It is with frequent times that we have patients say, oh no, I have another product, I use it. She's like, no, if you're going to get therapy with us, this is what works. This is what I know I've had my best results with. So all of our hygiene patients use StellaLife, and we've had no pushback. The flavor is amazing. They have the choice of the coconut and the mint. I know many practices have reported coconut is their favorite. Ironically, in my practice, patients love the mint. And they come back when they're out and they're asking, can I get a bottle of StellaLife? So I have endorsed the product. I have made sure that I recommend it to my referrals. I have orthodontists now who tell me that they're using StellaLife. I also have general dentists who tell me that after they had even just an intraoral scan, or if they've been open for a long time, they go home, they just apply the gel, they wake up in the morning and their mouth feels absolutely no discomfort. I use it on patients for Lichen Planus, for my Aphthous ulcers, and also for Xerostomia. So I have had great results with StellaLife. I fully endorse the product, and for me, it is a game changer. I'm very happy with it. So I strongly recommend that practices start looking into it if you're not using it.